Good day, gamers. Today, let's check out the player. Okay, so player, what's new? Biggest thing, player can deploy cover. So I'm just gonna hide these enemies here a sec, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Biggest thing is that cover will prevent you from taking damage from either a melee character or from projectiles that enemies will fire at you. So if you go ahead here, I think I have it set to. So you look here, you've got the player and the player cannot push that object. The player can hide behind it, and it will take. And if we go ahead here, let's go to our player character. Let's go to the prefab. If we look here, deployable cover prefab, got this cover. This cover has by default 2 hit points. It will take 2 projectiles. It will also take like sort of like 2 about seconds from the enemies when they, as far as melee damage, and then they'll just destroy once they're out of health. The other thing that you'll need to know with the player deployable cover, we've got cover pickups. So we've got sort of like initially the player has 5 cover charges when they start the level. You can change that, okay? And how do they get more? So I'm just gonna, just because this was blaring, I'm just gonna pause that a second. Okay, so you notice I've got 2 new things in the UI. I've got player health as well as the number of player pickups being tracked. So as you deploy cover, that will decrement. If I grab a pickup, that will increment. Okay. I think the pickups by default will only give you 1. Yeah. No, you can change that to whatever you want. You could do it full. It doesn't matter. You could also do, just as we had heal zones, you could also have kind of like replenishment that will kind of replenish the number of cover pickups. No right or wrong answer. I wish you the best of luck. Great stuff.